Mary, table 7 wants the kids' menu.
Okay, what do they want?
3 chicken nuggets, 2 mac and cheese, and 1 burger.
Got it. I'll prepare everything now.
Wait! The kids are running around the restaurant.
Oh no! Where are the parents?
They're on their phones. They're not watching the kids.
That's dangerous. The kitchen door is open.
I'll close the door. Can you talk to the parents?
Yes, I'll go now. We need to keep everyone safe.
Good idea. I'll bring the food to the table.
Excuse me, your children are running near the kitchen. It's not safe.
Here's your order. 3 nuggets, 2 mac and cheese, 1 burger.
Please keep them at the table. We don't want accidents.
Thank you for understanding. Enjoy your meal.
That was close. We handled it well.
Yes, safety first, always.
Let's check on them again in 5 minutes.
Agreed. Good teamwork, Mary.